A spiritual life means to retire from active life. That is general impression. People think that for cultivation of spiritual knowledge or self-realization, they should go to some Himalayan caves or some secluded place. That is also recommended. But that sort of recommendation is meant for persons who are unable to engage themselves in activities of Krishna consciousness. Lord Krishna is teaching Arjuna how one can remain in his position, never mind whatever he is, still he can become perfectly in Krishna consciousness. That is the whole substance of the teachings of Lord Krishna. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also, he never asked anybody to change his position. He simply recommended that you associate with pure devotee and hear from him. That's all. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu never asked anybody that you first of all, just as Shankaracharya's theory is that you first of all become a sannyas in renounced order of life. Then you try to understand what you are, Sankhya philosophy. Therefore, according to their system, anyone who takes sannyas is supposed to be immediately merged into the existence of God. Therefore, they address Narayan. In Sankara Sampradaya, one sannyasi addresses another sannyasi as Narayan. But here, in Krishna consciousness movement, there is no condition. The only condition is, that is not condition, that is recreation. Just like we have got this nice place. We invite people, please come and join with us. Not necessarily that one has to come and dance with us or sing with us. Simply if he comes and sees our activity, that is also a great benefit. Simply if somebody appreciates, oh, these boys and girls, they are doing nice, that will be also beneficial for him. Then gradually he will grasp. But people are so obstinate that in spite of our repeated requests, please come and join with us, they have no time. Go on. Yeah. Sometimes
this Krishna consciousness is misunderstood to be inertia, and one with such a misunderstanding often withdraws from secluded place to become fully Krishna conscious by chanting the holy name of Lord Krishna.
Sometimes the so-called devotees of Krishna in Vrindavan you find that they are keeping themselves in a secluded place and supposed to be chanting Hare Krishna. But practically it has been seen that by such artificial way of becoming Krishna consciousness does not make anyone advance. I have seen practically. They are living in a secluded place, chanting Hare Krishna, but practically when he comes out, he is mocking.